Beautiful. Wow. Let me get this in this sunlight so you guys can really get a good view of it. Good morning, everyone. This is Shane Knapp here. So I was waking up the yard today and I found a avocado graft that I did early in this season. It might have even been last year. So I'm curious to see if we actually got any root development here. It'd be really cool if we did. What? Check it out. Those look like roots. People? Yep. Look, we got some roots here. Oh yeah, okay. Huh. I might have to get a knife. I'm gonna pause the video and get a knife, but you can definitely see we got root development in there, and a lot of it. We'll get a pot for this. All right, where was I? Okay, so you can still see that it's attached to the tree. So I'm going to gently remove the tape, try to expose this air graft that I did. Do not want to damage these very, very, very valuable roots. If they're in there, I think I see a few. You guys see that? If you guys see that, give this video a thumbs up. Helps out the channel, and I can keep bringing you guys some great content on how you can get started with your own little orchard. Okay, careful, careful, careful. All right, let's see what we got. That is one nice root ball. Yep. Let's try to go underneath that on this side here. Oh yeah. Yep. All right, so let me go ahead and get some loppers. We're gonna cut this thing off. Probably edit all this stuff out. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Yep. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand with the kids sleeping, but we'll give it a shot. Beautiful. Wow. Let me get this in this sunlight so you guys can really get a good view of it. Nice, 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 nice. All right. Check that out. That is what I call a successful air graft. No doubt about it. we'll get this this bad boy planted. In a few years, it'll be as tall as this one, which is a good maybe 16 feet. Another cool thing, and this is all from a seed. If you guys have been following me over the years, you know this is a seed that had the little betta fish in it. I don't know if that just brought me some good success, but you can see that the flowers are already starting to open. It's about late March, early, almost the 1st of April. And you can see that the flowers are in full bloom. They're starting to peek open. So this year, the battle will be with the squirrels. Even though I had a really good harvest last year, the squirrels did a number on me. So I'm gonna invest in some squirrelinator type activities because I do not feel like sharing this year, all right? But yeah, super excited about this, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can you know, stay up to date on this. But yeah, I am so pleased. Somebody was asking me what the secret was, you know, how I'm getting these successful grafts. And what I'm doing is I'm using a combination of root hormone and aloe vera, fresh aloe vera, to get a successful graft. So again, thanks a lot. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And I am going. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and transplant this little sapling in here. Get out of here, chickens. And what I like to do is always put, give it some, you know, feed it. So I'm gonna put a little fish head down in the bottom of it. And just kind of lean it up here. If I can get it propped up. And let's get some dirt on it. Okay, so one last step for this air rooting this avocado. So I left it out overnight after I got it potted, but you can see that the tree, the leaves, they're very droopy, and they're not stiff and firm like these over here on the mature tree. So what's happening is the tree is in survival mode. So we want to give it its best possible chance, and we want all the energy to go into these roots down here. So what I'm going to do is we are going to get rid of some of these leaves so we can give it a fighting chance. So the tree is telling me doesn't want to support these up here, at least not right now. So what I'm gonna do is take off some of these leaves here. Leave one there. Yep. Yeah. This whole cluster here. So it looks like it's a sacrifice right now, which it is, but better that and save the whole tree than to let it die. All right. That one seems a little stiff. These, I think I'm just gonna let it go. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Same thing over here. Yep. Just being really brutal with it. right. So what I'm going to do now is, just to protect these edges, is get some, you know, some kind of tape to secure this up. But you see, we took off a lot of it. That's a really sturdy stem, and I think this one will have a still have a good chance of making it. So I'll keep you guys updated on how this goes. All right, so I have a roll of parafilm here, and what we're going to do with the edges is just kind of wherever we injured the plant. And this is like on the main branch, just kind of seal that up. So I'm gonna have to pause the tape since I don't have my tripod set up. Sorry about that. Okay, so you can see that I've kind of taped off the ends where the greatest damage was done to the plant. So a little overkill. What you could do is maybe put a plastic bag over this to keep in all the moisture, but I think it'll be okay. So we'll just keep an eye on it over the next couple of weeks. Hopefully these leaves, they stay nice and firm and thick, and this is where the survival is happening. So you have to remember, the tree, it wants to survive, and we just want to give it the best chance possible. And I think this might do it.